This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Crude oil futures increased more than $16 a barrel to score their biggest one-day gain in dollar terms since 1984, when crude began trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Crude futures rallied to a high of $130 a barrel. That's the highest intraday level in 2 months, buoyed by a steep drop in the U.S. dollar. As a result, Dow Jones Industrial Average falling more than 300 points just an hour before the closing bell. The Bush administration insists that Congress must move quickly to approve what one lawmaker called the mother of all bailouts, a $700 billion proposal to buy a mountain of bad mortgage debt in an effort to unfreeze the nation's credit markets. The G7 of finance ministers and central bankers of the wealthiest industrialized nations held a teleconference and agreed to take whatever actions may be necessary to ensure the stability of the international financial system. And Senate Banking Committee Chairman Chris Dodd voiced confidence in Treasury Secretary Paulson and said, "We've got the right man to deal with the problem." The Federal Reserve has granted a request by the country's last two major investment banks, Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, to change their status to bank holding companies. General Electric's Consumer Financial Services Unit said that it closed the sale of its Japanese consumer finance operations to Shinsei Bank for 580 billion yen. That's equivalent to $5.4 billion U.S. dollars. Microsoft announced yet another plan to buy back $40 billion worth of its shares, and Apple says it will exchange power adapters sold with 3G iPhones for a new redesigned adapter due to the risk of an electric shock. There are no scheduled U.S. economic reports out on Tuesday. In earnings news today, CarMax says earnings for the quarter fell 78% to $14 million or 6 cents a share. AutoZone's fourth quarter earnings rose to $243.7 million or $3.88 a share, and Washington Federal expects a loss of $39 million for the fiscal fourth quarter, net income of $62 million for the full fiscal year ending September 30th. Scheduled earnings reports on Tuesday include H.B. Fuller, Lennar Corp., Worthington Industries, Palatine Technologies, and Forgent Networks. Some of the stocks in the news today: Fannie Mae changing its organizational structure. The new structure and function of government and industry relations is under review. NASDAQ Group will offer a pricing based on global transaction volume, plus new services to enable companies to more easily list. And Cisco Corporation announced that its board of directors approved a buyback of 20 million shares. That's Cisco, SYY stock symbol. And that is the Market Wrap here on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.